Yo, welcome back, everyone, to Trading Lifestyles with your boy Trav here. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Now, this Sunday night, we're going to go ahead and do some market recaps, getting ready for the upcoming week, because we're going to make some money next week, alright? Starting here with NQ, I did go ahead, make some small adjustments, some minor adjustments to the chart. I got highs here set at 23102.5. I got this holding area for our support, kind of like a nice range at 22,931 to 22,890 range. I am looking for some holes to come in here. Now, this did open up, if you see here, with a gap. All right, what a gap means is, let me place this up here so you guys can see where the market closed and where it opened. All right, if you look here, market closed here on, what was that, Friday evening around what's market close, 4:30. So I'm looking at a market close around 4:30. All right, on a Friday. Sunday, market opened up here, right? That left a nice little gap right here, right? That's called a gap. That needs to get filled. Now, when it gets filled, it all determines and all depends on the market. It can get filled immediately. It could keep pushing and get filled sometime next week. But most times, gaps, the market does not like gaps. They always correct themselves. All right? Keep that in mind. If you do see a gap, understand that gap will get filled, okay? Now, in this case, if you can see here, it looks like it's already starting to get filled. So the market is correcting itself. Now, will it hold here? We don't know yet. Let's wait until the morning to find out. But these are the levels that I am taking a look at for next week. All right. I do see a break here, pull back, hold, and then eventually, we're looking for that push to the upside. All right. Next, and I do have some levels here just in case it breaks down, where we can go ahead and start getting in and things like that. Other things here on ES, same thing. I do see a gap fill getting filled, but for the most part, these are the levels. I have a highs at 6333.25, and I do have a holding zone or support zone starting at 6282.55 down to about 6270.34. So that's a nice little holding range. As you can see here, it is looking like it's about to fill that gap as well. And if things don't pan out and they decide to break down, then understand that we do have these other levels down here as well. Also, we do have these minor levels in between that we can watch as well. All right. But that's pretty much the most part for ES. All right, let's keep it going. YM. All right, YM. Now, I did keep some levels on YM from last week, like these highs here, because technically it did break and hold. I just had a failure up under it. These, you could somewhat put as lows, but they're pretty much in between this channel, to be honest. I like this low here because it did break and retested. It really has not been back here yet. So I would just keep it like this. If you do want to put this as a low, you can. Technically, it held, and that would be the previous low. I just don't like, I like more space. I like to be able to make it make sense. To me, it's a little bit more cleaner. But, to each his own. I do like this area, but I will keep an eye for that area as well. That is a good holding area as of right now, but I just don't see, it's fine. I like it here. To me, it just opens it up a little bit more for me, where I can kind of read this in the middle. But if it does decide to break, understand we do have these levels here also. And again, if you do need access to this system that I'm using, just hit me up in the comments. I'll be more than glad to help. All right, well, I think, that's pretty much it. We got to wait till the morning time to kind of see. As of right now, overall market is still going higher. You can look on the higher time frames, like the 4 hour, the daily, to kind of let you see that price is still pushing higher. So we are looking for those buys. We do like to go with the flow of the market, so keep that in mind. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, peace, love, and good trading. And I'll catch you on the next one.